Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's February 11th, 2025, and recently I had some trouble with my windshield wiper, not doing a good job cleaning the windshield. And I just saw recently a Facebook post indicating that some people were having a similar problem to what I had. Now, we live here in snow country, central New York. And if you follow too close behind vehicles, you'll get this salt and sand, and it gets real thick. So when you're driving behind another car, they're kicking up the stuff, and it can get up on the windshield and all. And we have this massive windshield wiper blade on the Cybertruck. You can see it's really, really big. There is a lot of downward force. The spring loading on this unit is really strong. But it comes down and it presses right here, but there isn't as much pressure up here, if you can imagine. And along the inside of this are little pores that where the windshield washer solvent. There's no nozzle down here that's going to put spray up onto the windshield. It comes out of little orifices about every inch apart, coming right down here. And what I experienced was something that looked like this on the windshield, and just where the water was coming out of the wiper blade, it looked something like that. And so I made an appointment with our Tesla service center, and I thought, geez, let's turn up the pressure on this, make it more of a of a heavier stream coming out. And that wasn't the solution that was recommended. What actually happens is, if you feel this is raised right up above the glass itself. There's a big step that we go through, and as those microparticles of sand and salt solidify on the windshield, that doesn't allow the wiper blade to make good contact with the windshield. It's sitting on top of this material. So what the guy recommended is cleaning a spot right where the wiper blade is making contact, and cleaning the underside of the blade itself. And so bear with me one second here. So I keep microfiber claws in the Cybertruck now, and if I get that material starting to build up and I'm getting the streaking, I just pick up the unit, and I can't do it with holding the camera, but I just go over it and clean the base of this blade. So just because what ends up happening is those particles of sand and salt adhere to the underside of the blade, and it just rides on top of it. And it does do a great job, as you can see, cleaning it. But there's two things I would say is don't tailgate to the point. And of course, with full self-driving, it will sometimes get up real close, but back off so you aren't getting the stuff getting thrown up on your windshield, and just keep it clean. Keep a good cold weather windshield washer solution in there, and hopefully that will take care of it. It's been working perfect since he told me about cleaning the underside of that wiper blade, and keeping that bit of the windshield clean right there. So I'll end up bringing a spray bottle with the cold weather windshield washer solution as well, so if I get in a bad situation. But as you can see, it gets all over the place, you know, on the vehicle. It's all over the sides of the truck as well. So I thought I'd share my experiences with trying to keep your windshield clean up here from all the salt and sand that they're depositing on the roads. And they're doing it every day here. We're getting snow all the time, and the vehicles in front here are going to kick it right up, just a natural way. So that's it for today's video. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Stay safe and take care. Bye bye now. I'm going to unload a toolbox.